How to create an event on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the option Community from the bottom panel. Tap the New Community button and hit Get Started. Tap the name of the community. Once you're done, tap on Create Community. On this page, tap on the Add Group option from the very bottom. Then select this option, Add Existing Group. Then, you need to select a group that you created. Tap on Add at the top right corner. Then, tap on this button, Add to Community. The group has been added to the community. Open that group from this page. Then, tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. And then select the option Event from this menu. Give the event a name. Add a description, and then set date and time of the event. You can also include the end time of the event. Toggle on this option and set an end time of the event. Then add a location from here. Once it's done, then tap on the WhatsApp call link and set the call type to voice. Once you're finished setting up the event details, tap on the Send button at the top right corner. You will see that the event has been shared with the group members and they can now view the details just by opening the message. So, by following these steps, you can create an event on WhatsApp.